Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. Yes, I did. How about you?
I slept okay, but I kept thinking about everything I need to do today.
I know the feeling. What's on your agenda?
Well, first, I need to make breakfast. What are you having?
I'm thinking about some oatmeal and fruit. What about you?
I might make some scrambled eggs and toast.
That sounds good. Do you have any plans after breakfast?
I have to get ready for work. What about you?
I have a few errands to run. I need to go grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping? What do you need to buy?
Just the basics: milk, bread, some vegetables. How about you?
I'm planning to stop by the store too. I need to pick up some coffee.
Maybe we could go together? It would be quicker.
Sure, that sounds like a plan. What time do you want to go?
How about after breakfast, around 10?
Perfect. I'll finish up here and get dressed.
Same here. I'll meet you at the door.
By the way, did you see the weather today?
Yes, it looks like it's going to be sunny. Do you think it will stay that way?
I hope so. I was thinking of taking a walk later.
A walk sounds nice. Maybe we could go together after the groceries?
I'd like that. We could explore that new park nearby.
That sounds like a great idea. I've heard it's really beautiful.
Me too. I'm looking forward to it.
Do you need anything else before we leave?
Just my shopping list. I think I left it on the table.
I'll grab it for you. Do you want to take a reusable bag?
Yes, thanks. It's better than using plastic ones.
Definitely. Ready to head out?
Yep, all set. Let's go.
Do you want to walk to the store or drive?
It's a nice day. Let's walk.
Good idea. We can get some fresh air on the way.
The store shouldn't be too crowded this early, right?
I don't think so. Mornings are usually quiet.
That's good. I like getting shopping done quickly.
Same here. The faster we finish, the sooner we can enjoy the day.
Exactly. Do you need anything special from the store?
Maybe some snacks for later. What about you?
I might get some fresh flowers. They brighten up the house.
That's a lovely idea. Flowers always make me smile.
Me too. They add a nice touch to the dining table.
Do you have a favorite type of flower?
I love tulips. How about you?
I like roses, especially the red ones.
Roses are classic. They never go out of style.
True. Maybe I'll get some today as well.
Great minds think alike. Do you cook much at home?
I try to. I like experimenting with new recipes. What about you?
I enjoy cooking too, especially on weekends when I have more time.
Do you have a favorite dish to make?
I love making pasta. It's simple but always delicious. You?
I'm a fan of stir-fry. It's quick and healthy.
Stir fry is great. You can add so many different veggies.
Exactly. And it's a good way to use up leftovers.
Agreed. Do you usually meal prep for the week?
I try to, but sometimes I just cook as I go. What about you?
I like meal prepping. It saves time during the week.
That's smart. I should do that more often.
It makes a big difference, especially on busy days.
I can imagine. What's your go-to meal for busy nights?
Probably a quick salad with grilled chicken.
That sounds tasty. I might have to try that.
It's easy and keeps me full. What do you usually have?
I like making sandwiches or wraps. They're simple and satisfying.
Wraps are great. You can put anything in them.
Exactly. They're so versatile.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. We should finish up shopping and head back.
Agreed. Let's pick up the pace a bit.
Do you want to split up to save time?
Good idea. I'll grab the produce, and you can get the dairy.
Perfect. We'll meet back at the checkout.
Sounds like a plan. See you in a bit.
Got everything?
Yep, all set. You.
All done. Let's check out.
The line isn't too bad. We'll be out of here in no time.
That's good. I'm ready to head home.
Same here. Do you want to stop for coffee on the way back?
That sounds great. There's a nice cafe nearby.
I know the one. They have the best lattes.
I could really use a latte right now.
Me too. Let's go.
It's such a nice day to sit outside with a coffee.
Agreed. Do you want to grab a seat while I order?
Sure. I'll find us a spot.
What do you want? Your usual.
Yes, please. A vanilla latte would be perfect.
Coming right up.
Found us a table with a great view.
Awesome. Here's your latte.
Thank you. This is just what I needed.
You're welcome. It's nice to take a break and just relax.
Definitely. We should do this more often.
I agree. It's a great way to start the day.
So, what's next on your to-do list?
I need to finish some work later, but I'm free now.
Same here. Maybe we could take that walk after this?
I'd love to. The park should be beautiful today.
I can't wait to see it. It's been on my list for a while.
Mine too. It's the perfect day for it.
I'm glad we decided to go out today.
Me too. It's nice to mix up the routine.
Definitely. Doing something different is refreshing.
Agreed. What's your favorite way to spend a day off?
I love exploring new places or just relaxing at home. You?
I enjoy a mix of both. A little adventure and some downtime.
That sounds perfect. Balance is key.
Exactly. It's important to recharge.
Speaking of which, are you ready for our walk?
Yes, let's finish up and head out.
Great. This will be the perfect end to a lovely morning.
I couldn't agree more.
Do you think we'll see any wildlife in the park?
Maybe. I've heard there are lots of birds there.
That would be nice. I love birdwatching.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
Do you have a favorite bird?
I love cardinals. They're so vibrant.
Cardinals are beautiful. I like blue jays.
Blue jays are lovely too. They're so striking.
Hopefully, we'll see some today.
Fingers crossed. I'll bring my camera, just in case.
Great idea. We can take some photos to remember the day.
That sounds fun. I'll make sure my phone is charged.
Good thinking. Ready to go?
Yep, let's do it.
The park looks amazing today.
It really does. The trees are so green.
I love how quiet it is here.
Me too. It's like a little escape from the city.
Exactly. It's nice to get away from the noise.
Agreed. This was such a good idea.
I'm glad we decided to come.
Me too. It's nice to spend time outdoors.
Definitely. I always feel better after some fresh air.
Same here. It's so refreshing.
Do you want to walk by the lake?
That sounds lovely. The water looks so calm.
It does. I love the reflections on the surface.
It's so peaceful. We should come here more often.
I agree. It's the perfect spot to relax.
Maybe we could make this a regular thing.
I'd like that. It's a great way to unwind.
And it's so close to home.
Exactly. No need to go far for some peace and quiet.
Do you want to sit by the water for a bit?
Sure, let's take a break and enjoy the view.
The sound of the water is so soothing.
It really is. I could sit here all day.
Me too. It's so calming.
I'm glad we took the time to do this.
Same here. It's important to slow down sometimes.
Agreed. Life can be so hectic.
It really can. Moments like this are priceless.
Absolutely. I'm glad we're doing this together.
Me too. It's nice to share these moments.
Do you want to keep walking or head back?
Let's walk a little more, then head back.
Sounds good. This has been such a nice morning.
It really has. I'm glad we made time for it.
Me too. We should do it again soon.
Definitely. Maybe next weekend.
That sounds perfect. Let's plan on it.
It's a date.
I'm looking forward to it already.
Same here. This was just what I needed today.
I'm glad. I feel the same way.
Let's head back and get ready for the rest of the day.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for a great morning.
Thank you. I had a wonderful time.
Me too. Let's make sure we do it again soon.
Absolutely. I can't wait for our next adventure.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!